Hey guys, how's everybody today? This is Brian Walker of Access Funding and Access Business Advisors. I just want to spend a quick minute or two to explain a lending option when the bank has told you no and you really are in a crunch for some money. This can work for any company, but I see a lot of it in the medical industry, DME companies, healthcare companies, home healthcare, restaurants, all kinds of different companies use these specifically to help them get through cash flow crunches. And one of the things that I see here in California, especially, is that when there's an audit going on, that a lot of times your cash flow is stopped during the audit, which means you still have to pay your employees, and that could be really, stressful if you don't have money coming in and you still got to pay payroll. But let's talk about real quick what kind of loans there are. We do private money, we do a few different things, but today we're really going to talk about merchant cash advance loans. Now, those merchant cash advances are really fast, they're really easy, they get the job done. The costs of them are a little bit higher, but let me just go through kind of how they work. So let's say you're a business owner, you have a DME company, and you are a durable medical equipment, if you don't know what that is. And you are in a situation where maybe there's an audit or something going on where your cash flow has slowed to a trickle, or maybe it's stopped completely during that period of time, and you still have to keep things moving and you still have trucks to refuel or whatever the case may be. So you've tried your bank said no, maybe you don't qualify, maybe you haven't been in business long enough, who knows. You've tried a few options. This would be the option maybe you use second or third down the row or down the line, simply because the interest rate's a little bit higher. They're a little bit higher because these are unsecured, and they're a little bit higher because they don't require you to have great credit. They're also a little bit higher because you can sign off on this loan really quick with mediocre credit, a young business that doesn't have a whole lot of history, and yet you can still get this simply based on your credit card processing every month and your deposits in your bank account every month. It could be a combination of both, or just your bank accounts, or just your credit cards. Whatever income you have coming in every month is going to help primarily determine, I should say, how much cash you can get. So the more you have coming in, the better chance you have of getting approved for something close to what you have. You can do these in a first, second, or third position. They're very, very quick. You can get these funded sometimes the same day, which is really great. If something comes up and you need money, you can get them done pretty quick. Sometimes a day or two. If it's a bigger loan, there would be a quick site inspection, which probably takes 5 minutes and can be done the same day. So like I said, these are really fast in a pinch. You can get up to $250,000 within 48 hours, which is just crazy. But it does work, and I've done them for companies who needed that much money quickly. There are a few that go up to $300,000 to $500,000. And again, I don't know every situation that may happen, but these are a fantastic alternative if nothing else works and you don't have the cash laying around. So if you have questions about them, feel free to give us a call or reach out by email, and we're happy to answer any questions you have. It's a simple one-page application. There's a soft credit pull, so it won't ding your credit in a negative way. The loans are typically paid back in anywhere between 6 months and 24 months. They usually are paid weekly, sometimes depending on the business type. They can be a small daily withdrawal. But they're pretty simple, they're pretty effective. I would say I would use that after the bank has told me no. Because again, interest rates can be anywhere between 6 and 25%, sort of like a credit card. We also have those with lines of credit, which are usually lower than the cash advances, but they are really effective. If you need money quickly and you're established at least 6 months in business, I would say most companies need to be doing $25,000 a month in deposits to qualify for most of the loans. Anything over that is even better. But we can get you those loans pretty fast in a pinch. And if that's something you need help with, we are here to help. So all you got to do is reach out. You can call us, or you can email us, or send a message through whatever is on the screen here. Okay? So I hope you're all well. I hope this helps. And if you need quick funding, please feel free. Reach out. I'm Brian Walker, the broker for Access Funding and Access Business Advisors. Talk to you soon. Oh, yeah. Hey, sorry, forgot one last thing. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again.